Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to change the time on iPhone. So if you want to change the time on iPhone, or probably you are a person that love to change the times or the time zone of your phone. Maybe you are a business person and you have a foreign meeting you want to attend using your phone, and you want to be time specific, you want to focus on the time. So the best way you can do that is just to change the time on your phone, and this is the quick guide on how to do that. Just open your settings, then you can use the search bar at the top, tap on it, then type date and time. Just search for date and time. You can see date and time. Just tap on it. Then from there, make sure you turn off the set automatically. If this is turned on, there's no specific option for you. This option for you to set your time zone will be difficult. So if you tap on it, then you can see the time zone option is off, so you have to turn it off. Then from there, tap on the time zone. From here you can search any country of your choice. For example, tap on this Sao Paulo, Brazil, which is the current time I'm currently using right now. You can see this is Sao Paulo, which is Brazil, so I'm connected to Brazil time, and that is how you can change time on your phone. So let me take the process again. First time we use the search bar, so I'm just going to take you the normal process and open the setting, then scroll down to general. From general, scroll down to date and time, tap on it, then you can configure your time, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.